What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Frowny Fox from the Smiling Critters. Let's begin today's drawing in the center page of the top edge of the nose. We're going to start over on the left. Let's add a curve going up and then back down towards the right. Now from the ends we're going to bend the nose coming down and in towards the center of our page. From the bottom point we're going to curve the mouth. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come across, bend this up, round out the mouth, and then come down towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right, going in the opposite direction, going up, and then bending that down. Let's tuck the bottom of the mouth underneath. From the end, we'll step in, come all the way around, in across the middle, go up on the right, and just tuck that in. Let's add the top row of fangs. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend this around and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to taper this up underneath the mouth. Let's add two smaller ones along the outside. Stepping over, coming down, and then up. Then add one more on the side, and we'll mirror that over on the right. Let's add a row of smaller teeth in the center. Leaving a gap in the middle, going up, then down toward the left and right. Now we'll add a few more on either side. Now I want to place the tongue along the bottom. Let's start from the inside edge of that last tooth. We're going to go up, bend that down towards the right. Now I want to add a fold, so we're going to step back, going up, and then down in behind the right tooth. Now we're going to go back and fill the inside of the mouth in black. We're going to go around the teeth and the tongue. Now that we complete the mouth, let's work our way around the muzzle. Let's start from the outside corner of the nose. We're going to curve this up towards the left, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to fold the cheeks in behind. So we're going to step back, going up around the mouth, come down. Now just going to trace the mouth along the bottom, and we'll work our way up on the right side, going around the cheek, and we'll tuck that in on the top. Let's go back to the side of the nose. We're going to curve the eyes, coming in and then up towards the brow. And then we're going to curve the eye, going out, go up, and then back out. Let's curl up the inside of the brow, coming in and up. Let's draw the outside of the eye. From the top of the brow, we're going to step in, go around, and then pull that in. Now we're going to pull the pupils towards the inside. Let's start from the bottom left. We're going to draw an oval going up and then back down. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around the pupils. Now we're going to move out and trace the head going around the eyes and up towards the top. Let's start on the left, go straight up, go around the eye, and then bend that in. Now let's layer the hair in the center. We'll start from here, come down, round this out, bend that up and out. Let's add a second layer, coming down, going around the side, up, and then down. Let's add one more, stepping up, and go all the way around and just pull that down on top of the head. Now I want to continue this curve on the right side of the hair. We're going to go out around the eye and then bend that down on top of the cheek. Now let's place the ears along the side of the head. We start back on top of the cheeks and go out and then bend that up towards the tip of the ears. Let's round out the ear, come in, and then down on top of the head. Let's separate the tip of the ear with two curves. Starting from the outside, we're going to come down and up, and draw that again. And we'll trace the ears along the inside. Let's start from the bottom, going up towards a point, come along the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start over on the left side, and we'll draw an oval, going all the way around towards the bottom. Come up the right side and then back in underneath the head. Let's add that heart shape in the center. We're going to start with a point. We'll draw the left side, going up, come around, and then down towards the middle. Go back to the top and work in the right side. Let's draw that lightning bolt from the center, angles down towards the right, going up, and then back down. Let's go back up to the top right. I'm just going to taper this so it's narrow as it comes down towards the bottom. And we'll fill that bolt in black. Now I want to add two lines coming down the center, in behind the heart, and continue along the bottom. Let's add that patch across the top. Starting from the left, we're going to go around the heart, go in behind the zipper, continue on the right side, and then in. Now I want to tuck the legs in underneath the body. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down. And the same thing on the right. And then we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Coming around and then up towards the outside. Let's go back to the left side, just going to round out the foot. And just tape the leg so it gets nearer as you come back up underneath the body. And now we're going to go back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start from the top of the body, come down, and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's curl around the thumb. We're going to go up, bend this down, and curl that back up towards the top. So this is the exact same thing on the right side. Now from the side of the thumb, we're going to curl around the first finger. We're going to go up, come around and in, and then back out. Let's tuck two more fingers in underneath. Starting from the bottom, coming around like an oval. Just tuck that up underneath, and we'll do that one more time. Now I want to place a small claw on the tip of each finger. Let's start with the thumb, coming down and in, and then back up. And we'll curl these ones coming in and back. And then we'll go back to the wrist and draw on the palm. We'll start by curving this around and then in. Around the thumb, add another curve, coming down, out, and then up underneath that bottom finger. Let's go to the bottom of the palm. We're going to curve the arm, coming in and then up towards the body. Now the last thing we're going to do is add a large tail coming out from the left side. Let's start just up above the leg, bend this down, and then out. And I just want to trace this back in behind the leg. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Frowny Fox from the Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.